and welcome to my dashboard. Our third analytical question focuses on ransom as the financing strategy for terrorism, how it varies across time and regions, and what trends reveals its significance as compared to other attack types. The dashboard is designed in a way that we have a temporal analysis on the upper left, we have a spatial analysis on the upper right, and then on the lower part we have a more comparative analysis per attack type, as well as a deep dive on hostage taking. There's a calculated field for the lower right visualization, which is the ransom success rate, which is simply ransom paid divided by ransom amount. The dashboard is really interactive and allows users to really filter out the data as they want. We can filter out some time by using the timeline. We can also select a specific region or just click on a country to see only the data for this country over this specific time. Let's see what kind of insights can be reached by using this interactive dashboard. We can see that around the 80s, there's been a surge in the number of incidents, as well as a clear outlier in terms of ransom amount. So let's filter out the data to only see this year's now. By seeing this year's, we can clearly see that the surge in the number of incidents was mainly in Latin America and more precisely in Colombia. This might be due to the surge of terrorist groups such as the FARC in Colombia, whose main strategy for financing was to kidnap and take hostage and ask for ransom. Let's now deep dive into what happened in '78. By filtering by the year of 1978, we can see that ransom amount was really big, nearly $1.2 billion, and that the biggest event was in Italy, and it was also a single incident. So after some research, I was able to discover that it was actually the Aldo Moro case, which was a former prime minister of Italy and was kidnapped by the Red Brigades. He was held captive for nearly 2 months, and the terrorist group kept asking for ransom, but no ransom was paid, so Aldo Moro ended up being killed. Now that you understand the power and how to use this dashboard, you could, for example, try to understand the recent surge in terrorist attacks. So let's have a quick look by filtering the time frame to recent years. We can see that, unsurprisingly, most of attacks, ransom-related attacks, happened in Syria. Interesting.